Welcome to the Windows and the Easy Computer Fixes channel about every types of platform. This is a quick video to talk about a update today. We are Patch Tuesday, or what we call Security Tuesday. And if you're on an older version of Windows 7, Windows 8, make sure that you update your system for the latest Patch Tuesday updates. Several security flaws of importance in this Patch Tuesday. Of course, every second Tuesday of the month is always the time for this. Make sure you update. Don't listen once again to people that say, oh, well, you shouldn't update with Patch Tuesday updates. It's bad and, you're doing the wrong thing. And well, no, you're not. Okay, this is perfect. This is all right. And there's no problem there. So, of course, several updates are available for fixing computers from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Most of the updates go around the Windows App Platform and Framework, Windows Storage and File System, the Microsoft Scripting Engine, Windows Input and Composition, the Windows Wireless Networking, Windows Cryptography, Windows Data Center Networking, Virtualization, the Jet Database Engine, the Linux kernel for Windows 10, Windows kernel, Windows Server, Windows MSX/ML. Browsers, Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge are both hit by security updates, so just make sure that you patch your system to stay safe, as we are having Patch Tuesday today, August 13th, 2019, the second Tuesday of the month of August. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.